The system is dialed in, my friends. 51 green trading days in a row, trading live in front of over 2,000 people.
380, 1500, 400, 400, 540, 500, 260, 500, 2080, 2 evals passed, 50 cents. Let's go. That wins a win, baby. 1400, 600, 200. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. That's a morning right there.
And over $10,000 in profit just today between my live personal brokerage account and my funded accounts. And in today's video, I'm going to break down step by step how I did this, what we saw, and how we caught these trades in real time using my simple strategy. So that being said, if you guys do get value from this video, all I ask is you tap in, hit that subscribe button, and if you're trading with prop firms, Tradeify, Apex are my two favorite ones. Use code JDUN, JDUN, on your prop firm evals. I'll do my best to help you guys pass your challenges. I've been putting out a ton of valuable content, including my free hour-long masterclass on trading the orb. It's on my other YouTube channel. I highly recommend you go check that out after this video. I'll do my best to help you guys pass your challenges. All I ask is you guys show the love back in return if you choose to do so. So that being said, let's talk about how we locked in such a nice day with this chop. Doesn't look like that great of a day, and in hindsight, it wasn't. But we had sniper entries, we'd stayed patient, and the system worked itself out. Now, first things first, what do we do every day? We wait the first 15 minutes. So we're going to start here by marking out the first 15-minute high and the first 15-minute low, because that is our first step of every single trading day. Now, we get this aggressive push up, failure to go higher, failure to go higher. Now, on this move back down here, we close below. That's the first step I'm always looking for a trend entry to the downside. Now, as we retest back up to this 15-minute low, I don't automatically take the entry. I can't stress that enough. Yes, we will miss some entries here and there, but I'm looking for precision. I'm looking for longevity. And for me, if I wait for the wick up to settle and then catch the move back down and define my risk in the process, that's what keeps me profitable so often. So in this particular trade, I'm watching this move up. I don't take any here at 313. I wait. We go up to 331. And on the way back down at 320 to 315 area, I tell my team live in real time, I'm trying the shorts. I'm looking for a move to low a day, and I'll stop out above 330. I always like to be able to visualize my risk. That's part of being the disciplined trader that I am. I can always visualize my risk. I stick to my plan, and I stay consistent with everything I do in my trading system. So we enter these shorts at 320 to 315, depending on your entry, depending on your fill, put stops above 330, and we ride this down from 315 area all the way to low of day around 275. This ends up being over a 30-point trade, closer to 40, give or take your entry. So on this, I trim a majority off down here, I'm holding my runners, and I get stopped out at break even up here. Now, at this point, I'm cool for the day. I'm typically one and done. If I get a really good trade like that with minimal drawdown, a solid 30, 40, 50 plus points, I'm usually chilling. I'm done. You won't find me glorifying Mr. 100K a day, Mr. taking 10 trades a day. That's not how I trade. That's not how I teach my mentees. The reason my first mentee this year, Gene, got $5,000 in payouts in his first month with me is because we emphasize patience. We don't emphasize gambling. We don't emphasize making things complicated. We emphasize building a solid system, building discipline, building consistency, taking A+ confirmation entries, and executing over and over and over again. Which, mind you, my next mentorship is coming up this coming Monday, May 19th. If you are an intermediate to advanced trader, make sure you get on that wait list. Now, being said, this next set of price action was not great. No moves here. No moves here. We did retest the midline in here. So I'll give our price action that. We did retest our midline from low to high in this area to a T and rejected. I did not take that reject because of how sloppy this first action was looking, and I just got stopped out right here. I did not take the midline reject. However, I did end up getting a second very nice trade. It wasn't here. It wasn't here. It wasn't here. It certainly was not here because, again, we closed below. We rock it back up. There's no chance for a wick where we can get in and move down. I typically don't like trying the orb again if I already catch a move the first time. The first move is usually going to be the best. Usually, not always. Usually is going to be the best. So what I do is I stay patient through all this chop. And as we build our way back up, we fail to go lower again. I see this strong move up, increasing relative volume, And on this candle close above this break of structure, again, I'm not really a trend line trader, but nonetheless, I look at structural breaks. On this break of structure here, the close, open, and move down, I enter my longs at 360. I think I filled at 362. I have a hard stop in around 340. Obviously, I don't want to lose that 20 plus points, but I have a hard stop in here. I'm telling the team I take a light entry here. I will add if we test 350 because then we only have 10 points or so of risk on this candle. And I want to test high a day. Well, we get this move from 360 all the way up to 388, and I exit a majority of my position here because I'm not confident in this price action. I don't want to wait around for this to chop for the next 2 hours. So we exit a majority here, get stopped out my runners down here on this move down. Of course, we end up going to test high of day again, but nonetheless, I'm happy with that break of structure, defined risk, move up. That's all profitable trading is, guys. You won't hear me explaining a bunch of super advanced concepts. Yes, you can make money with them, but you can also make money trading very simply and just following a plan. That is all it really takes in the grand scheme of things, is you have to learn how to be disciplined. You have to learn how to mentally audit your trading, your A game, your C game, your B game, and how to consistently execute over and over and over again. That's where I hope that I can be a mentor for you on these YouTubes and Team Bull and my Master Mentor program, wherever you get your value from me. I want you to look at your trading every day as a discipline over dopamine task. I want you to choose discipline, choose consistency, choose focus, and choose longevity in your trading. More high quality trades, less tilt, less revenge, less BS, less unorganized, discipline-filled gambling mindset trades. If you can just stay true to that, you're going to have a lot of success as a trader. And while we're here too, I want to recommend you guys something. If you see the first orb, you catch a piece of it, catch it, don't, whatever. Be cautious of the second orb, the third orb, etc. Because you see we have fake out here, fake out here, fake out here. That's why I always like to see the close here, the wick, the move up, and to keep my risk defined. Because if you just buy on this breakout here, you get a little bit, you get crushed. Buying the breakout, you get crushed. Buying the breakout, you get crushed. I don't want you guys getting crushed. That's why we always have to stay more patient. You might miss a move here and there. But again, in the grand scheme of things, I'd rather miss 2 moves than get cooked on those 2 moves. It's all about perspective. So keep trading smart, keep trading safe. Again, I appreciate you guys watching these videos, learning from them. Hopefully, I'm helping you guys make progress. Make sure to check out my hour-long Orb Masterclass. And for my future Master Mentor students, you have a lot of goodness coming your way. God bless and have a great night. Peace.